Welcome to the Garlic Express. Every year I deliver garlic to my friends. It's one of the wonderful things of gardening. Now you've heard of Johnny Appleseed. Well, I'm Dougie Garlic Seed. Our first stop is to see the Garlic King of Millvale. You're going to love this guy. We call him the Garlic King of Millvale. He's Tom Walker with his beautiful garden. And this is who I get my garlic off of every year. Where do you grow it?
I grow some at our farm. We own an old farm in Jones Mills. It's near Donegal, near Seven Springs. And then I grow some here. I grew all my garlic down at the farm this year.
What is your love of garlic? Where does that come from?
I have no idea.
Really?
No. We started growing garlic about 35 years or so ago, and my wife is an excellent cook. So we use garlic frequently in a lot of dishes that she makes.
I can tell.
And just one thing led to another, and we just continued to explore different varieties, and here we are. And again, and I know you always say too, which I like too, it's garlic has very few pests as well as very few diseases, and I'm like you, I like to give it away, and people love it, and it becomes an education. Because I would tell people I have 8 varieties, and people will say, "Oh, I didn't know there was different garlic." And I said, "How many are there? There's got to be over close to 100 varieties even more than that."
How many this year? How many different varieties?
I got, I think I have at least 6 or 8 up there. I can't remember exactly.
And each one tastes a little bit different. That's what people don't understand. It's different heat, different strengths,
right.
Different flavors.
Yes, that is true. And some are better in roast to use it like that, and some is better. You can just go ahead and roast it and eat it like that.
So I'm buying 5 pounds off you,
yes.
But you keep the good stuff for yourself, right?
I give you good stuff.
And then the rest goes to the king's peasants, right?
Yes. What we do is we ring a bell. And they all come up here, and I stand up above the flag up there.
And you say, "Let them eat garlic." All right, let's go up, and I want to take a look at my my 5 pounds.
All right, let's go.
All right,
let's go for it.
Garden looks good.
Thank you. A woman minister from Wilkinsburg came here last year. There had been an auto parts garage down there. She had her vehicle repaired. And she came up. She was standing down there, like leaning against those posts. And I said, "You can come on up here. You can have. I got a chair and stuff." So she came up here and she sat here. And she said, "Wow," she said, this is really great." And she had to come back the next day to get her car. When she came back, she stopped up again. She brought her kids with her. And it was one of the best compliments that I had. And you can understand it, and anybody who does garden, they can understand it. She says, "I can tell that's a spiritual place," is what she said. So that was, outside people always say, "Oh, yeah, that looks great," but it's the other side of the spiritual thing that was really a good compliment. I really appreciated that.
I love this garden. All right, we're going to start distributing the garlic. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
We'll see you soon.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
All right. Don't kiss me goodbye.
You smell too much like garlic.
Yeah, I know. That's what I always said. My kids always smelled like garlic, so we never would have to look for them when we went anywhere. They said, "Boy, them 2 kids stink." I said, "Yeah, they belong. They're mine."
Our next stop is to see my friend Sherry, who makes these shirts look so good. How do we find out that we both love garlic so much?
I thought it was off. We were looking at a website that a garlic thing was in town one time, and we asked you about it, and you told us whereabouts it was, and I think that's what started it off.
That's right.
And then you'd written your one book.
Right.
Yeah, and then the book came up after.
Yep.
Where did it start for you guys, the love of garlic?
Since I was little. Oh yeah. My family, they were always huge garlic eaters.
I was probably about 11, 12 years old. My sister made a church pizza, and she put garlic on that. And that's where I first was introduced to spice, and garlic was one of the first ones. Yeah. And ever since then.
And whenever you cook a recipe, you're always adding, like me, way more garlic.
Extra.
Oh yeah.
Oh, tons and tons of extra. Like I just did it, like we were talking earlier, did a recipe over the weekend where it was calling for 2. Well, we doubled the heads up and 4.
And it is true, you cancel each other out, so it's all good.
And then one of the fun things we did is I brought you the garlic soup.
Oh, yes.
The ultimate garlic lover soup. No one else could eat it.
Oh, yes.
Except you guys.
Yes.
Well, now I got to say, your biscuits were really good.
Oh, that's right.
They were
Yeah.
bomb biscuits.
Yeah.
But that soup was phenomenal.
Yes, yes.
You could smell that a mile away.
I wish I would have had the biscuits with the soup.
Right?
That would have been good.
what's the best thing for you guys about having fresh garlic?
It just tastes so much better than the
Yeah,
stuff sitting around in the store for God only knows how long.
Yeah, it's definitely it's the taste. If you love garlic, you'll know you like fresh
Yeah.
over any crap that they sell into the stores now.
Right?
Our next stop takes us to one of Pittsburgh's greatest artists. He has the most wonderful saying about garlic.
Come on in.
Hey,
Welcome.
how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Let's hear the famous saying.
It would be a sad world without garlic.
All right.
Come on in, Yins.
All right, I brought you German white. That's your favorite, right?
Yes, sir.
How many can you plant?
Oh, I can plant millions, but I'll take a few.
Well, we'll get more than a few.
I know. Whatever you can spare, young man.
All right, well, there's
Oh,
plenty here.
man, the garlic gods on Monday in Pittsburgh. I have loved garlic since I can remember. And my dad actually was an organic gardener like myself. He always planted garlic.
Is that
And
good?
that was the hook. Thank you so much. Look at this. I eat just about every day. I cook with it. I love to cook. My
it
wife,
raw?
I eat it raw.
Wow.
Generally twice a week. I've done this for 35 years. I take a kernel of garlic, chop it up, throw it back into my mouth with a glass of water, and eat, drink, and stink. And my wife, we've been married almost 30 years. She loves garlic, so we eat and stink together with garlic. And she's a garlic nut too. So it would be a sad world without garlic.
All right,
in my
let's see
opinion.
I want to see the garlic painting.
Sure, there's a couple of them here. First, there's one up here. If you want to look up top there, see it says two of my favorite
Oh,
things.
yes, the best combination you could possibly have. When you said you drank water, I was like, huh?
Garlic and beer, or I love wine, so it could be garlic and wine.
So I have a painting of yours at my house of tomatoes, but this is the garlic.
Right.
Nice.
Thank you. It's 3 foot by 4. My medium is enamel and sand on canvas. The sand I use is from the Monongahela River. It's very gritty and blue collar.
What's your favorite way to eat garlic?
Well, that's a good question, but the number one, I love roasting whole chickens. I've done them all my life. And then you have the chicken in the roasting pan with the rack, and you put garlic underneath it, and that roasts for over 4 hours, however you want to cook it, and you eat that garlic, and it's just, that's my wife and I, a favorite way. I would like to dip that in chocolate. Sarah's chocolate, maybe, and see if I can market that. I love chocolate. I love garlic.
That's going to work.
That's a goal of mine. I don't know if it works, though. But that's my favorite way to eat it. I'm honored. I love garlic. It's one of life's great natural good things.
All right.
Thank you.
Off to the next stop.
Oh, geez.
We're headed from the south side slopes to the north side to meet somebody who's taught me a lot about plants. All right. It's raining, so we're in the chicken coop.
Yes, we are.
This is my friend Diana from Han Nursery. I told them you taught me all about plants
Okay, good.
all the time. So
I try.
every year I give you some garlic. How much garlic can you use? How much can you plant? I've got 3 different varieties here.
Okay.
I got German white, music, and Armenian.
Oh, I know Armenian for sure because I don't have that one yet.
Okay.
But, yeah.
And tell me about your love of garlic.
Well, I use it all the time. I cook with it. My parents always grew it and cooked with it. And we really, really enjoy garlic.
All right.
I don't think you can ever have enough.
And what do you do about the smell?
You got to make sure everyone has some.
Armenian, okay.
Okay.
German white.
Yeah, German. Yeah, I'll take a couple German white.
All right. And
Yeah,
how
is
long?
Is this a soft neck variety?
You know, it might be. It looked like it to me when I looked at the cloves.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
German white.
Okay, and I've grown this one before.
And then my favorite, of course, is music.
Music, I know.
Yeah.
And I usually grow music too.
Okay, is that enough or need more?
Yeah, no, this is good. I have some that I've saved from from my last harvest.
Okay.
Some Chestnut Red, and then some Starfire. I think you gave
That
me
was
that
last year was Starfire.
Yeah,
And I like that one a lot.
yeah, that was good.
Since these chickens aren't so friendly, our last
they're
stop,
not.
they
They're
he,
new.
he liked roasting chicken with garlic. No?
Yeah, yeah. Just not the ones that have names.
City chickens have names.
Exactly.
All right, Diana. Good luck with your garlic,
All
and
right.
thank you very
Guys,
much.
Can I give you something else? How about some strawberry fig jam?
You got it.
All right.
All right.
All right. Let's go get it.
All
I'll
right.
go get it.
Cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed meeting everybody. They're all garlic lovers and friends. Now I've got the rest of this garlic to plant. I hope you're going to plant some garlic too. And then when I'm done planting, strawberry fig preserves. Can't wait. Thanks for watching.